Yeah, hi everyone. Through this video, we will see the NK cell mediated immunity. So, NK cell mean natural killer cells are the type of cytotoxic lymphocyte critical to the innate immune system, and the role of the NK cells plays in is similar to that of the cytotoxic T cells in the vertebrate adaptive immune response. So, typically, an immune cell detect MSC that is present on the infected cell surfaces, triggering the cytokine release and causing the lysis or the apoptosis. They were named a natural killer because of the initial notation that do not require activation in order to kill cells that are mixing self markers of the MSC class 1. So NK cells are defined as large granule lymphocyte, that is LGL, and constitute the third kind of the cell differentiated from the common lymphoid progenitor generating B and T lymphocytes. Mechanism of the NK cell mediated immunity, that it destroys viruses like type cells and tumor cells. NK cell paralyze target cell using the cytolytic protein perforin and a variety of protease enzyme. It also use the perforin to create pores through an aqueous channel. So NK cells are uh, it also alert the greater immune system by secreting chemicals that are taken as a message that a threat has arrived. Here is a flowchart of the mechanism of the NK cell mediated system. The hemopoietic stem cells form the lymphoid stem cells and their reaction proceeds. In this figure, the NK cell, that is suppose an example WBC, has two reaction receptors, that is activating receptors and the inhibiting receptors. The activation of the ligand of the NK cells and the MSC1 is inhibited. So activation or the virus infected cells, when AR, that is activating receptor, binds with the ligand of virus infected cells and there is a reduction of MSC class 1, then there is activation of the NK cells and cell destruction. NK cells also secrete cytokines, that is interferon gamma, which activates macrophages to destroy engasted microbes, and thus NK cells early provides against the cellular microbial infection. So as NK cells are the non-phagocytic cells, they called as a large granular lymphocyte. So figure of the NK cells, binding of the cytokines, binding of the antigen antibody complex, and the CD5 CD16 is activated and cytokine activate and destruct the cell. Function of the NK cell, that the granules of the NK cells contain preformed biological potent molecules, play a role in defense against both intracellular and the extracellular pathogens. So all about the NK cells mediated system. Thank you and keep watching.